All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in the desert of Southern California. I am on a trike ride with my friend Dave. And as usual, we have really no idea where we're going. It's absolutely gorgeous. I think it's going to be 70 degrees today, bright blue skies, and we're going to be going on some scenic areas. I'm pretty sure, we'll see, because Dave, he's kind of in the lead here. I always kind of follow Dave. So we'll see what kind of trouble we can get into. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Oh, okay, we're pulling off here already. Pulling off the road. All right, we got the drone in the air. I hope this is going to be okay. There's some dogs and a couple of people down here, and I don't want to scare them, but I thought it would be really fun to get some drone footage of Dave and me going down this very steep embankment. Very steep, right? Kind of exciting. This flood control wash, and there's all these fancy golf courses here, and there's all these golf balls in the wash, and Dave has decided that he wants to collect them, so he actually brought a kitty litter bucket. So I'm going to help Dave collect some golf balls here. They're all practice Titleist number 4s and number 2s. So I've got a helmet full of golf balls. So, oh, here's some more.
Wow.
So
Unbelievable.
I hope your friend appreciates all the extra weight you're carrying.
Oh, I wonder how much extra weight I am carrying.
You've got so many golf balls, you can't even put the cover on the bucket. That's a pretty big bucket too. I guess that's enough golf balls for today. I don't really know what these are. Really strange shaped. Is this grapefruit? Look how weirdly shaped they are.
No, those are grapefruit.
Look how odd they are.
Weird grapefruit.
And very colorful, kind of weirdly shaped. And there's another one. Oh, you can smell them. They smell really strong. And here's another one. Boy, you just never know what you're going to find in these flood control washes. I think Dave's going to swoop in. And then this is the end of the wash, and we go onto the golf course now. a change in plans. I thought we were going to continue riding through the golf course, but we have decided that we want to go to lunch.
Well, get up here where it's easy to get up on here.
Yeah,
I keep forgetting I got a heavy load on the
you sure do. You got like 150 golf balls. Very pretty. Yeah, here comes one. Yeah, that's nice. All right, we've just had a very nice lunch at a Jewish deli, and we've come out to
a little flat.
a flat tire. I think we have changed more flats over this winter than I have my entire life. The goat heads are just incredible this year. Merciless. So Dave is gonna take the time here, change his flat before we can get going again. All right, Dave. Thanks for the nice ride. It was a gorgeous day. I hope your flat is okay. I hope you make it home okay. All right, Dave. I'm going to the right. You're going to the left. Okay. Bye. All right, you guys, this ride is coming to an end. I am back at church after a fantastic ride. It was a gorgeous day. I think it was 70 degrees out here. Dave and I just had a lot of fun. I just got my trike back from Bent Up Cycles, and so I was checking everything, had new Marathon Plus tires put on my trike with liners. Dave got a flat. I did not. I have a couple of other things. One, if you would like to join me on my tour, there is a link in the description to fill out a contact form, and this will help me to schedule meetups and group rides as I go on this 9,000-mile tour. There's another link for my Patreon account. You can join my Patreon for as little as $1. Many, many thanks to all of my supporters and followers who have already joined my Patreon. I cannot tell you how wonderful it feels to have your support. So I think that's it. All right, you guys. Thanks for following along. Be healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.